Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 214. This was the 1st of April 2023, a Saturday. So happy April Fool's Day. And no April Fool's jokes right now, but happy April Fool's. And we're already in April. Can you believe it? So did exercise, worked on books, worked on Remote Wellness Academy, worked on insurance, and took care of some personal items. And gratitude for today has to do with all the people that have worked, that helped me get Mexican permanent residency. So the people working at the consulates, the people at the immigration attorney, all those people, people who came up with the idea from Sovereign Man. I was able to get Mexican permanent residency just asking for it. So that's basically it for day 214. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I will talk to you again soon. Thank you.